Welcome to I4Math, a perfect guide for CBSE Class 12 Mathematics. Learn every concept clearly and score more marks in the board examination. To get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the like button.
Integral 1 divided by 1 plus cot x into dx. Let us integrate by using the substitution method. First, let us simplify this problem. Integral 1 divided by 1 plus cot x we can write as cos x divided by sin x into dx, which is equal. Now take the LCM. 1 divided by 1 into sin x plus cos x whole divided by sin x into dx. Now take the reciprocal, sin x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So which is equal 1 by 2 into 2 sin x we can write as sin x plus sin x, and then add 1 cos x and then subtract 1 cos x, then whole divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now 1 by 2 integral, you see the denominator sin x plus cos x there, so combine one sin x and cos x, and then the rest of the terms sin x and then minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. 1 by 2. Now split into two integrals. 1 by 2 integral sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x, that is 1 into dx, and then plus 1 by 2 into integral sin x minus cos x whole divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now let us take the substitution. Take sin x plus cos x equal to t. Now differentiate on both. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of x is dx, plus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into differentiation of x is dx. Now write the dx as common term here. Differentiation of t, that is dt. So 1 by 2 integral dx plus 1 by 2 integral, you see here in numerator sin x minus cos x is there. So take one minus outside, so it will become minus 1 by 2 into cos x minus sin x, and then in denominator it is sin x plus cos x, and then here dx. 1 by 2 integral dx minus 1 by 2, you see here cos x minus sin x into dx is dt. So this is called the dt divided by sin x plus cos x is called t. Now 1 by 2, what is integral dx? That is x, minus 1 by 2 integral dt by t, that is log modulus of t, and then plus c, constant of integration. Now 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into log, what is modulus of t? That is t value is sin x plus cos x. Let us replace t is sin x plus cos x here, and then plus c.